Hi, I'm Pastor Dave at the PortaParsonage. And my favorite time of year is package season. So I have another unboxing to do. We'll see what this is. It came from Techno RV. And well, the truth is, in the spring, I'm planning on putting new tires all around, including the spare, on my Class C motorhome, Frida. She's a 2016. These tires have been on since 2015. They're hitting 7 years old. They're good Michelin tires, but they have done more sitting than traveling, so they need to be replaced. And everything I hear, that when you have good tires, you want to keep them good, keep them inflated properly, but you also want to have a tire pressure monitoring system. So I just gave it away. But let's open this box and I'll show you what I have along for this spring. All right. Okay, so I have additional sensors because I got a kit with 6. All right, that's just my receipt. So here's the tire minder, and I got it on sale. It was a great opportunity, so I took it. So let's unbox this. And I must have the on the sides here too. All right, we'll open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so we begin here with the monitor itself. It's got a little plastic thing on the screen so that it shows you what it's supposed to look like. The antenna is loose so that when you get it set up, you can have that arranged accordingly, according to where you want it. There we go. That's the monitor itself. This is a tire minder. I know there are other brands out there. All right, and here's 2 pressure monitors with fresh new batteries by the looks. Yep, with fresh batteries and locking nuts so that the sensors will remain where they belong. All right, let's see what else we have in the box. We have another box, 2 boxes. So let's begin with this one. This is the big box. All right, tire minder research. Tire minder, this must be the manual, and yep, the instruction manual for the i10. This is an i10 tire minder, and again I have all the batteries and the lock nuts and sensors and all of the tools that I need to put them on. The tire minder decal. This is a nice padded decal that I can put on the vehicle so that people know that we've got tire minder and safe on the road. I'm not sure if I want to have that advertising what we've got or not. All right, and the last box. Okay, and this is the rest of the equipment that you need to set everything up. Here's a suction cup mount. And This just mounts on right on the back here. Looks like it just pops on and snaps. So there we go. And then we have here a tire minder sending unit, so that the tires in the back particularly will be able to, this will pick up the signal from those tires and send it to this unit. This of course hooks up to some 12 volt lines so that it powers this. And then this is some zip ties to set that up. And then of course we have the 12 volt charging unit. It goes in the cigarette lighter, and the cable that hooks into the tire minder to keep that powered up. And then again, some signal booster installation instructions. Now, when I bought this, Techno RV, they're very good. They're very concerned about customer satisfaction. So they sent me links to some videos, installation videos that will improve my setup. They said it's easier to understand those videos than it is to understand the instructions that come with this unit, and it'll help getting things set up and ready to roll. Well, thanks for joining me. When we get the new tires on, I'll put these sensors on. We'll get this all set up on Frida, and then Frida will be at least protected. We'll have a good understanding of what the tire pressures are and what the temperatures are, and we'll go from there. I'll give you a review when we've had a chance to run this for a while. Thanks for watching.